What if I told you the single best lever for your Q4 revenue isn't your ads, your products, or even discounts? It's your list. Your email and SMS list is the one asset you actually own, and it's the only thing standing between you and leaving hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table. The brands that are gonna crush Q4 2025 are ones who are obsessed over list growth right now. And in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to grow your list the right way using strategies we run every single day at Breadloaf for our Shopify brand partners. We're using Klaviyo, Postscript, and Attentive. What's up guys, Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I run Breadloaf. We specifically focus on helping Shopify e-commerce stores with their life cycle and retention marketing channels like email, SMS, push, and direct mail. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, list growth. I'm gonna walk you through 7 proven strategies to grow your email and SMS list in 2025. With that being said, let's get into it. Let's start with the classic, pop-ups. Every Shopify brand has a pop-up, but most pop-ups, well, they suck. They're either too aggressive, they're generic, or they're asking for too much too soon. Your pop-up needs to earn the opt-in. That means a clear value exchange, a % off, early access, or something unique. Then you need to have mobile first design, because 70 to 80% of your traffic is mobile in the first place. And you need timing rules. Don't fire on the first 2 seconds when someone loads onto your site. You wanna test scroll percentage or exit intent. When optimized, pop-ups alone can capture 5 to 10% of all website traffic into new subscribers. So next I wanna talk about front-end offers that actually convert. Your incentive offer matters more than you think. We've tested everything from 10% off to dollar-based offers to free shipping to VIP early access, and here's what wins. Contextual offers that match your brand. For example, if you're a skincare brand, instead of just 10% off, offer a free sample pack with a sign up. If you're in apparel, push early access to new releases. The right front-end offer doesn't just increase opt-ins, it increases qualified buyers who are more likely to actually convert after joining. And then we have sweepstakes and brand collabs. This one is massively underrated. Running a sweepstake with 2 to 3 other non-competing brands can grow your list by thousands, and do it fast. For example, imagine you sell premium coffee. Partner with a mug brand and a high-end espresso machine company. Run a sweepstakes where the prize bundle is irresistible. Key to success here is making sure each brand promotes it to their audience. The entry requires email and SMS opt-ins, and you use a tool like Viral Sweep or Dojo Mojo to manage everything cleanly. The results here, you're acquiring highly relevant subscribers at a fraction of paid acquisition costs. Next, we want to talk about post-purchase list growth. Most brands ignore this, but your best chance to capture SMS subscribers is right after purchase. Think about it. Your customer has just trusted you with their money. They're in peak excitement mode. That's the perfect time to ask for an SMS opt-in for shipping updates, VIP status, or post-purchase offers. Simple tweaks like adding an SMS checkbox at checkout makes a huge difference here, or offering a small thank you discount for SMS opt-in post-purchase. And then last, you wanna be running flows that encourage cross-channel opt-ins. This adds thousands of high-intent subscribers every quarter to your SMS list. These are people that have bought from you in the past. Next up, we have the website newsletter opt-in. Don't underestimate the footer here. Your footer opt-in isn't flashy, but it's always there. And people who scroll that far, they're intentional. They want to learn more. Make sure your footer isn't generic. Instead of just subscribe to our newsletter, use copy like join 100,000 plus brand insiders, or get early VIP access to new drops, or member only perks and launches. These tiny tweaks add a steady drip of high quality subscribers every single day. It makes a difference. We're not just capturing subscribers from one source. We need to cherry pick. We need to have multiple sources that are acquiring new subscribers every single day. And then next up, we have lead gen for product launches. This one is powerful. When we helped one of our clients, Plain Tags, launch their SR71 Blackbird collection, we didn't just run ads for the drop. We built hype through list growth. We ran ads specifically to collect email and SMS signups for early access to the launch. Thousands of subscribers poured in before launch day. The result, over 1 million in sales in less than an hour upon launch. The lesson here, treat list growth as your pre-launch runway. Build anticipation, capture emails, and then hit the list hard on the launch day. That's how you turn a product drop into a 7-figure event. And lastly, we have back in stock alerts. This is another underutilized list growth tactic. Every brand has products that sell out, but instead of just slapping a sold out badge, give customers a way to sign up for back in stock alerts via email and SMS. Apps like Klaviyo Back in Stock or Back in Stock Pro make this seamless and easy. The beauty is these aren't just subscribers, they're buyers in waiting. When the product comes back, you have a list of highly motivated customers who are primed to purchase instantly. So there you have it, 7 proven ways to grow your email and SMS list in 2025. Number 1, pop-ups done right. Number 2, front-end offers that actually convert. Number 3, sweepstakes and collabs. Number 4, post-purchase opt-ins. Number 5, newsletter footer signups. Number 6, product launch lead gen. Number 7, back in stock alerts. If you're on Shopify and you're running Klaviyo, Postscript, or Attentive, these strategies are the foundation for exponential growth. Your list is your biggest asset, so you want to treat it that way. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these you're doing first to grow your list. And if you want to see the full Plain Tags $1 Million Hour case study where we broke down the product launch details, click the link below in the bio, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Peace.